Welcome to our YouTube video on common mistakes to avoid as a Fiverr seller. Fiverr is a popular platform for freelancers to showcase their skills and offer services, but it's important to navigate it wisely to achieve success. Welcome to our YouTube channel, my tech students. In this video, we'll highlight some common mistakes that Fiverr sellers make and provide valuable tips on how to avoid them. Before we delve into the mistakes, it's essential to understand that Fiverr success requires dedication, professionalism, and continuous improvement. Let's explore the common pitfalls to steer clear of as a Fiverr seller. Mistake 1. Underpricing your services. One common mistake is underpricing your services to attract clients. While competitive pricing is important, setting your prices too low can devalue your work and attract low-quality clients. Research the market rates for your services and price yourself accordingly, considering your expertise and the value you provide. Mistake 2. Lack of communication and responsiveness. Effective communication is crucial on Fiverr. Ignoring messages or responding late can lead to client frustration and negative reviews. Be prompt, professional, and transparent in your communication with clients. Set clear expectations and provide regular updates to maintain a positive working relationship. Mistake 3. Overpromising and underdelivering. It's tempting to promise the world to clients in order to secure orders. However, overpromising and underdelivering will harm your reputation in the long run. Be realistic about what you can offer and deliver high-quality work within the agreed-upon timeframe. Building trust and delivering consistent results will lead to long-term success. Mistake 4. Neglecting your Fiverr profile. Your Fiverr profile serves as your online identity, so it's important to keep it updated and professional. Fill out all the necessary details, showcase your skills and expertise, and regularly update your portfolio. A well-curated profile will attract potential clients and build trust in your services. Mistake 5. Poor gig descriptions and titles. Your gig descriptions and titles play a crucial role in attracting clients. Avoid generic and vague descriptions. Instead, clearly explain what you offer, highlight your unique selling points, and use relevant keywords. Craft compelling titles that grab attention and accurately represent your services. Mistake 6. Neglecting customer service. Excellent customer service is paramount to success on Fiverr. Provide timely responses, address client concerns, and go the extra mile to exceed expectations. Prioritize client satisfaction and aim to build long-term relationships. Happy clients are more likely to leave positive reviews and recommend your services. Mistake 7. Ignoring the importance of reviews. Reviews are the lifeblood of your Fiverr business. Neglecting the importance of reviews can hinder your success. Encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews on your gig page and respond gracefully to any negative feedback. Actively manage your reputation and leverage positive reviews to attract more clients. Mistake 8. Not upselling or offering gig extras. Many sellers overlook the opportunity to upsell or offer gig extras. These can significantly increase your earnings. Identify additional services or add-ons you can provide to enhance the value for your clients. Clearly communicate these options in your gig description and capitalize on upselling opportunities. Mistake 9. Failure to market your services. Simply creating gigs on Fiverr won't guarantee success. Many sellers make the mistake of not actively marketing their services. Utilize social media, online forums, and other platforms to promote your Fiverr gigs. Create compelling content, engage with your target audience, and establish yourself as an expert in your field. Mistake 10. Lack of professionalism and quality. Professionalism and quality are non-negotiables when it comes to succeeding on Fiverr. Deliver high-quality work, meet deadlines, and strive for excellence in every aspect of your service. Provide a polished experience that leaves a lasting impression on your clients. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can set yourself up for success as a Fiverr seller and build a thriving freelance business. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary based on personal efforts and market conditions. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. hit the like button and press bell icon.